Hello guys, Mr. Mold here, and we are in sunny South Florida. And there's a lot of love and charm for these old homes where you can see that you have these vines growing all over the house. I'm gonna get close up and I'm gonna tell you what one of the problems is in this property is. Right here, I went ahead and I took apart. You see the vines, you see the thickness of these vines, how they penetrate the actual paint, and they start chipping away at all this finished product, right? That can actually peel down. You see this, I could peel down and you could see how all this vine, it just digs in deep. I mean, it really roots in there and it penetrates. And when you have a house like built in the 1940s, problem with that is that there's no vapor barrier, so the insulation is just not there. And the bricks, a lot of times when they would put the bricks and built them back in the 40s, they didn't put the mortar mix in between the actual spaces, so now you have like gaps. So when imagine you have a vine that's penetrating into the house, it's kind of like the Jolly Green Giant vine, except it's not going into the sky, it's going straight into your property. It's creating crevices and negative spaces where water will find its way. It's going to penetrate all the way in, and water's going to get through, and it's going to be something that eventually you're going to be able to find out. Now, in this case, if it was a drywall house, it's organic material, and it'll easily materialize where you could see the microbial activity, you could see the colonies right off the back because it's organic. But in plasterboard, I mean, we're talking about cement board, and we're gonna have another video on that. You're gonna see that it takes a longer time, but the paper back on that plasterboard is just that. It's paper, and it contaminates very easily. So it'll turn black, it'll turn any color, any microbial activity will take, water damage will come in, any just rain now will drizzle down and will percolate back into the house. Not a good thing. I mean, it's a charming vine. If you see behind me, you look, it's just like so gorgeous. And like I said, it's very loving, but it's not ideal. And I've seen the ugly side of what happens with this. So hope you guys enjoyed this tip. If you want to win the indoor air quality fight, just remember that Mr. Mold will purify your air at the speed of light. Mr. Mold, out.